Weather's all quiet across our area this evening. Live look at Ripley's Aquarium of the Smoky in the Gatlinburg area. Going to be very crowded for Easter weekend coming up, and temperatures are still very comfortable. It is mainly clear. A few thin clouds coming across the plateau now. That's really about all we're going to expect for tonight, but it's 68 degrees still in Gatlinburg. Knoxville, Maryville, 71, 67 in Maynardville, Sneedville, and also up into Barberville. So mainly upper 50s, low 60s. Overnight tonight, a few clouds. I think clouds get a little thicker towards daybreak, and it's just kind of like a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, like what we saw today. And temperatures are very similar. We're right back in the low 80s. We hit 83 today. We're close to that tomorrow. And again, there will be an opportunity for a few pop-up late-day showers or rumbles of thunder. So morning's fine. This is 7 a.m. We'll take it up to about midday and stop it there. By then, we may see one or two of these showers starting to blossom in the atmosphere, and that trend will continue through the afternoon. It's very much like a summer pattern. I think the more likely areas, though, over towards the mountains and northeast Tennessee through tomorrow afternoon. But late tomorrow night, the line of showers and thunderstorms, that's starting to move into the area. I stopped it at 9 o'clock, and you can see back towards Middle Tennessee and approaching the plateau. That's what moves through during the overnight hours, and everybody is going to be seeing at least some measurable rainfall overnight Saturday into early Easter Sunday morning. So we've been showing this all week, really. Sunrise 7:17, high probability of rain, Knoxville eastward. Low probability back towards the plateau as that rain continues to move through. So 6 predictor picking it up at that 7 a.m. time frame. High probability of rain, right? Knoxville eastward, less likely back to the west. But this system is moving very quickly. Late morning towards midday, we're already drying out, and some are already clearing out by lunchtime back across the plateau. And I think everybody will see at least some sunshine by late afternoon. So this is a fast moving system. It just happens to be damp right when a lot of people may be doing sunrise services. But shortly thereafter, again, rain chances are going down very quickly. Another thing I want to point out, not only is it raining at sunrise, it is cool. Temperatures in the mid 50s. So mid 50s and rain, not extremely comfortable. We're drying out in the afternoon, but it is cool. Now, this is good news in the sense we'll see some much needed rainfall, some half-inch to 1-inch totals, but we have to watch. If we get some of these 2-inch plus totals in a short amount of time, we could be talking about some isolated flooding in some areas. Now, we'll say, looking at some of the forecast guidance, the amount of moisture in the atmosphere is nearly double what is average for this time of year. So I could easily see these 1-inch plus totals. We'll just have to hope that it doesn't fall too quickly, right, in this short amount of time. Areas to the south and west where those 2-inch plus totals are being painted, that's where the highest drought is right now. We're seeing level 3 out of 5 drought, the severe drought in orange, and the red is extreme drought. That's the 4th out of 5th levels of drought. Now, it's not showing any across North Knox County up through Hamlin County, but it has been pretty dry across our area. And if you don't happen to see a ton of rain, maybe you get a half-inch or less, we're not going to see any rainfall right into next week. It looks like this is our only opportunity over the next 7 to possibly 9 days here in East Tennessee. One thing I will point out, a weak cool front comes through Monday night into Tuesday. There's no rain with it, but it does cool us down in the low 60s for highs Tuesday, and we're in the mid to upper 30s by Wednesday morning. I do think there'll be the patchy frost potential in some outlying areas, Elena.
All right. Thank you, Ken.